people use the terms AI and machine learning interchangeably today, mainly because machine learning is the most powerful and common method of AI. As a result, the differentiation between AI and machine learning can be ambiguous and difficult, especially for those who aren't AI experts. So, what's the difference here? A straightforward way of thinking about AI and machine learning is that all machine learning methods are AI methods, but not all AI methods are learning based. It means machine learning is a subset or a branch of AI. A good example of machine learning system that most of us are familiar with is spam detection. It used to be a time when computer scientists tried to create spam filtering system by anticipating all the rules and logic that spammers could use. For example, if the email contains the word spam, is it probably spam? But it was impossible to catch all the rules spammers use. So the spammers were always 10 steps ahead of the computer scientists. The spammers use spam in this format instead of this format. So the scientists finally decided to come up with the idea of creating a dataset of spam emails and regular emails so that computer can find these rules on its own without being explicitly programmed for those rules. In the machine learning branch, we feed data to the computer so it can learn the relationships and rules to make predictions or classifications. Let's look at a tangible example from construction. As you know, to automate and simplify safety tracking on construction sites, several companies have been developing AI assisted technologies that process the photos or videos captured from a construction site and report potential safety issues. These technologies are mostly based on artificial neural networks, which are machine learning algorithms and can analyze the images or videos feeds to determine safety risk much more faster than a human. The way it works is straightforward. They teach or train the algorithm by providing a lot of images with the safety requirements labeled or tagged. Once the system learns to recognize the safety requirements, it can predict potential safety risk in real time on the sites. Now that you understand the difference between AI and machine learning, let's find out more about machine learning methods. Machine learning has four sub-branches: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, semi-supervised learning, reinforcement learning. The semi-supervised learning is out of the scope for this course. However, we'll mainly pay attention to the supervised learning because it's the most common method of machine learning today.